Parasites are disgusting because they survive by turning another living thing into their home. They don't live nearby, they live on you or inside you, crossing a line your brain treats as sacred. My body is mine. Once inside, parasites steal. They siphon nutrients, blood, and energy you needed to survive, like discovering someone drilled a straw into your fridge. Some go further. They can influence behavior, nudging hosts into risking actions that help the parasite spread. That loss of control feels deeply wrong. This reaction isn't cultural, it's biological. Your brain runs a behavioral immune system. Disgust evolved to push you away from potential infection before damage is done. Here's the surprising part. One parasite, Toxoplasma gondii, can make infected rodents less afraid of cats, steering them toward the predator it needs to survive. Parasites disgust us because they break one of our deepest biological boundaries, the idea that our bodies belong only to us. So next time, how does the body fight back without hurting itself?